Good morning, guys, from Galveston, Texas, USA. I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. I'm just out in my garden this morning, just checking on my figs, y'all. I don't know when they're gonna ripen. Who knows, y'all? That's with Mother Nature. All you have to do is just look. It's like Easter egg hunt all the time, y'all. This bitter leaf, at least it made it through the hurricane, y'all. I can't complain. And my rose bush sprouting a little rose again. Look at the boysenberry done crawled all the way over there to be messing with the okra. They do what they do, y'all. They do what they do. And one of these okras then went all the way down to nothing, y'all. I'm letting it go. Letting it be fertilizer for the rest. It's my mint. I don't know what this is, y'all. I don't know. That's mint turning into seed. My okra, y'all. I don't know if it's gonna ever give me anything. I'm gonna come back and give it a little coffee water. Cause I've been seeing other people harvesting okra already. Mine ain't doing nothing. You know, just staying alive. I guess this not the year for the okra. That's my basil. Looking good though. I might put a little in my gumbo today. Tomato plant. Y'all, I think this is just the year you look if your plants live at all. A little cilantro, a pepper plant. It's just so hot, y'all. And you don't never know if you're overwatering them, you're not watering them enough. Oh well. I tried, y'all.